Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, July 16th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of industry and manufacturing news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Rock breaks Ucore Rare Metals Inc., OTCQX UUF, poised to play pivotal role in RE supply chain. Ucore Rare Metals, listed on TSXIV as UU and OTCQX as UURF, is making strides in securing domestic rare earth elements essential for defense systems and clean energy. The company received an $18.4 million funding agreement from the U.S. Department of Defense to develop a rare earth processing facility in Louisiana. This facility aims to reduce U.S. reliance on China for rare earth elements and will utilize Ucore's Rapid SX-TM technology for efficient extraction. The plant will focus on separating key rare earth elements like neodymium and dysprosium, crucial for electric motors and defense systems. Ucore's long-term vision includes disrupting China's control of the North American rare earth supply chain through strategic partnerships and development projects in the U.S., Canada, and Alaska.
Critical Metals Corp launches drilling program in Greenland to position Tanbreeze for commercial production. Critical Metals Corp, a leading critical minerals mining company, has launched a 2,000-meter resource diamond drilling program at the Tanbreeze Rare Earth Project in Greenland. This program aims to boost the resource estimate ahead of Q4 2025 milestones, positioning the mine for commercial production expected in 2026. The drilling campaign targets to increase the size of the existing mineral resource estimate for the Fjord Udiolite deposit. The first drill hole has already shown promising results with medium-grained udiolite composition. Critical Metals Corp's experienced Greenland drilling contractor, 60 North Greenland, is spearheading the program. The company remains on track to deliver final reports by Q4 2025, paving the way for commercial production to meet the growing demand for rare earth materials in the United States and the West.
Rock breaks ESGold Corp, OTC ESAUF, featured in Network Newswire editorial on emerging mining models. ESGold Corp, listed as ESAU on the CF on the OTCQB, has been featured in a Network Newswire editorial highlighting its strategy of redeveloping past-producing mine sites. The editorial showcases ESGold as a lower-risk alternative to traditional high-capex exploration models with a focus on overlooked assets amid surging mineral demand. With gold prices at record highs, ESGold's approach offers a compelling value proposition. The company, known for clean mining and exploration innovation, is advancing projects in Quebec while promoting sustainable resource recovery. ESGold's Montauban property exemplifies responsible mining practices, combining near-term production with district-scale discovery potential. For more information, visit ESGold's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks, a specialized communications platform within the dynamic brand portfolio at IBN, provides deep insights into the mining industry and offers tailored corporate communications solutions to reach a wide audience of investors, influencers, and consumers.
Investor news breaks Oragenics Inc., Oragenics N, secures U.S. manufacturing partner ahead of Phase 2B trials for concussion drug. Oragenics Inc. has secured a U.S. manufacturing partner, Sterling Pharma Solutions, for the production of its lead drug candidate, ONP002, targeting concussion. The agreement, which will support Oragenics' Phase 2B trials starting next year, marks a significant milestone in the company's clinical development. CEO Janet Huffman emphasized the importance of this partnership in advancing U.S.-based innovation and quality. Oragenics is a biotechnology company focused on developing intranasal therapeutics for brain-related conditions and infectious diseases. For more information, visit www.oragenics.com.
Investor news breaks Silvercorp Metals Inc. SVM, NYS American SVM, reports higher Q1 output and revenue ahead of August earnings release. Silvercorp Metals Inc., listed on the TSX and NYSE American under the ticker SVM, has reported higher output and revenue for Q1 Fiscal 2026. Revenue increased by 13% year-over-year to $81.3 million, with silver production up 6% to 1.8 million ounces. Lead output rose 1%, while zinc production fell by 19%. The Ying Mining District saw a 28% increase in ore processed, boosting gold output by 79%. Full Q1 financials will be released on August 7, 2025, after market close. For more information, visit Silvercorp's newsroom.
Nicola Mining Inc., TSX, OTCQ, extends $2 million credit line to support gold production, key partners. Nicola Mining Inc., listed on the TSX.V as NIM and on the OTCQB as HUSIF, has extended a $2 million credit line to support gold production and key partners. The credit facility provides Blue Lagoon Resources Inc. access to $2 million over a 12-month term, showcasing Nicola's confidence in the project's production trajectory. Nicola's CEO commended Blue Lagoon's execution and community engagement. This strategic move aligns with Nicola's mission to foster industry collaboration and regional gold development in British Columbia. The unsecured credit facility allows for interest-only payments for the first 11 months, with an option to extend for another year under revised terms. This initiative reflects Nicola's commitment to responsible mining and its vertically integrated approach, combining milling capabilities with financial support.
Waukesha wire EDM and microhole drilling. For manufacturers, services announced. CamTech Inc., a wire EDM service provider, now offers microhole drilling capabilities to manufacturers in the Waukesha, Wisconsin area and throughout the Midwest. The company's 2 EDM microhole drilling stations create starter holes in hard metals for aerospace, medical, electronics, and filtration applications. The microhole drilling process begins with EDM drilling, followed by wire EDM to achieve micron-level accuracy. This service helps engineers create smaller, lighter parts with exact specifications. CamTech operates 13 high-speed wire EDM machines and offers 24/7 operation to meet urgent deadlines. Microholes serve critical functions in aerospace, medical, and electronics industries, requiring exact tolerances that EDM-based drilling delivers. To learn more about microhole drilling services, contact CamTech.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.